I'm going to be showing you how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. So recovering a Roblox account without access to the email or phone number is harder, but it's still possible if you can prove you own the account. So here's what you can do. So the first step is to go to Roblox support. So to do that, you just need to open any of the browser that you have. I'm going to be using Safari. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And once you do, you just need to go to www.roblox.com/support and press enter. Wait for it to load and you should see all of this information here. Now all you need to do is fill the form very carefully. So just enter your username, make sure it's the exact username and spelled correctly. Also enter your email. Use an email you can access now even if it wasn't linked before. So it doesn't matter if it's linked or not, just use it. And now just confirm it and just issue your details. Just enter what device you're having a problem on, and once you select it, just type the help category. So if it's related to account hacked or billing or payments or any of them, just select the first one since we're trying to recover an account. So just you can enter a subcategory as well, like forgot password, and just describe your issue. You can also add photos or proof of descriptions. So this will help your case. And once you do, just tap on continue. You also need to know that if there was never an email added, recovery is very difficult. So Roblox usually responds within 24 to 72 hours after you fill the form. So they will only send the respond to the email you put in the support form. So make sure that's carefully picked out. So if it was hacked, and if someone changed the mail, tell support the account was hacked and include proof of purchases. And there you go, that's how you recover Roblox account without email or phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.